I smoked for 28 years. 28 years I smoked, and it was the major part of my life. I had to have my cigarettes wherever I went. I had to have, made sure I had my matches, my cigarettes, my lighter, and couldn't do anything without having my cigarettes. My grandfather passed away at a young age, 57, with a heart attack. My father died at a very, very young age, 55, with a heart attack. And I just didn't want to die like that. I didn't want to have a heart attack at an early age. And every doctor that I talked to or spoke with told me that it was very, very extremely important to quit. Do everything you can to quit smoking, because you're not going to live past your late 50s if you don't. And so I decided to try Chantix. It's worked great for me. I haven't had a cigarette in 2.5 years. I tried cold turkey. That, of course, didn't work. And everything that I tried to do, I failed at until I tried this drug. Probably the biggest accomplishment of my life was quitting smoking. And Chantix was great. It enabled me to do it, and I'm just grateful.